Hey, this is Adam with Heavy Metal Automotive. I'm going to show you this 15 Ram 5500 we have for sale. It's got a 11-foot Summit Bodies service bed on it, Summit 6620 crane, and it has a Vanair compressor, welder, generator, and it also has a hydraulic pump that powers the crane and the outriggers. So basically what that does is stops you from your truck having to run constantly. Your truck doesn't even have to run to power your crane or outriggers or compressor. So it keeps the hours down on the truck. It's really nice. I think it's just a cool setup. And I've had a ton of these trucks. I think this is probably one of my favorite trucks we've had. It's just, number one, it's a super nice truck. And I like the equipment on it. And I love maintainer beds. I'd say it's probably my favorite bed's a maintainer, but this one right here, it's just as nice as a maintainer, the Summit. And we haven't repainted the inside of this bed. I mean, whoever had this truck, I mean, it's a super nice truck. You know, we touched up spots around the truck, but as far as, which we never do that, we don't paint the inside of the boxes on trucks. But I mean, this looks like it's never even had anything put in it. Oh, this truck, I forgot to mention the details on the truck. It's a 15, it's a 2-wheel drive. It's got 190,000 miles. And this truck come out of Georgia, so it has no rust. It's starting to rain, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to work everything real quick. Okay. First you gotta fire this baby up. Then you're gonna turn that on. This thing's kinda dirty. Outriggers. Forgot to set the parking brake. And you hit deploy driver's side and then deploy passenger side. Gotta pull that up. Crane. compressor on and off here. Outriggers, retract. Driver's side retract. There's your generator, compressor. You got switches there for them as well. Battery booster. It even has a function on that screen back there where you can basically the crane or the outriggers will autopilot back in. You just hold the button and the crane will set itself back in the cradle, and the the outriggers will go back in as they should. Nice toolbox. I haven't seen one with this much stuff on it, as far as the bed and all that works. Got strobe lights, work lights, all those work like they should. This thing lights up like crazy. 191.14 on the miles. Power windows, power locks, air conditioning, everything on it works just like it should. The thing runs perfect down the road. Whoever had this truck, they just took phenomenal care of it. It's from Georgia, so it has no rust. I would be scared to say what the truck like this costs new. I would, if I was guessing, I mean, I would probably say 160, maybe 165,000, something like that. I mean, it's just really, really set up nice. So if you're interested, it's got all the keys right there, all the keys. I think it's got the books somewhere. Don't hold me to that, but I think it's got all the books for the crane. I think. I just have to find them, so don't hold me to that. But if you're interested in this truck, give us a call, 256-310-6852. Our website's heavymetalauto.com. You can go on there and check out pictures of it. This truck's just really stupid clean is the only thing I can think to say about it. And it's got a really nice setup on it. If you're looking at this truck out of state and you want to have it shipped, we can ship it straight to your door. On a truck like this, figure somewhere around $1.25 to $1.50 a mile. It depends on where you're located at, or you can come in and drive it home. It's up to you. Trying to think. I guess that's about it on this truck. I'm about to post a 16 model that's basically similar truck, very similar, except to me it's just not as cool as this truck is. I know people don't buy them for the coolness, but I don't know, I just like how this truck's set up. So give us a call, heavymetalauto.com. Thank you for watching.